head up. I'm going to do a sweep. Real quick. We're going to do a sweep, okay? Ready? Good job! Good job! Did you close your mouth? You didn't drink any water, did you? Did you drink my water? Don't drink any of the water. Good job. Get your head up. There you go. I know that's good. You're doing very good. Okay. Yay! Yay! That was good. Can you give me 5? Good job. Okay, can you come try to grab my hand now? Ready? Grab my hand.